Hey, we're Performance Vacuum of Denver, a new kind of vacuum store. Denver's premier Sebo dealer. Stock a variety of Sebo models, even some that you don't see on their website. So come down and experience the difference that a German-made vacuum cleaner makes today. What makes our store different? Well, we have a well-lit showroom where you can try, look, feel, and touch and really experience the vacuum cleaner of your dreams. Our mission is to tailor the vacuum cleaner to your needs, not ours. So you have a great idea of what you're buying and how it feels in your hand. Our store is laid out more like a house than it is a store, with a variety of different carpets and hard floor, and even furniture for you to try your vacuum on and under. Come down to Performance Vacuum today and experience the difference. Our contact information is in the description box below. We'll see you soon.